Here's my driveway, Steve, and we have a little porch here. We got our outdoor oven because it gets too damn hot in the house to be baking. And then we have a grill here and a freezer. We have lots of water storage tanks here. We have like, I think 20 of them. And then we have an outdoor table. I put this on here because the damn cats will get up there and lay on the table, and I don't want them on there. And then my next door neighbor here is the orchard. This is pomelo and the Landon, which is like a orange, small orange. And we have lots of coconut trees. Let's go inside. One of my cats just decided to have some babies. My wife's laundry area. Then I have a shower room here. Nice. Let's go in the house. That's my wife's kitchen. I just put in this sink, big sink for her. I'm not quite finished with the cabinet. And another freezer. I have a baking area. And she's got every pot and pan and dish, whatever you can, you name it, she's got it. Another cooktop here. And this is one of those electric dish sterilizers. And we got another sink area, like a what do you call this? A beverage center. Singer was scraping by as a machine grimy Boston workshop. And another bathroom shower area. And this is our dining table. Kind of messy, but I'm just making this just for Steve. My daughter's bedroom. She's not really our daughter, but we call her our daughter because she's been living with us for 11 years. She's 13 years old, and her real parents are worthless pieces of shit, so we take care of her. If she was still with them, she'd probably be homeless. Who knows? Pitiful, worthless people. And then we got more like a pantry area. We got food coming out of. I got more food here than some small grocery stores. We've got it stored in these that go underneath our bed and other areas. We've got a lot of stuff. This table is made out of Nara. Very hard wood. What is that noise?
A straight vertical needle paired with a horizontal table. Every sewing machine before this used
TV. And this is a mess because I just got up here a few hours ago and I haven't cleaned it up. It's like my music room, TV room, and another Nara wood bench, which is beautiful. And if we go outside here, I'll go out the side door. And along here I got all kinds of bird of paradise, got coconuts, green, 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 green. No snowstorm warnings here. And, you know, back in March, this whole area there was no grass, no bushes, nothing growing along the fence line. And I planted this, and look at it, it's like a golf course resort. And I got fruit trees, got papaya and malunggay, or also known as moringa. And this is, I can't remember what kind of fruit that is right now. And then my backyard. I got lots of citronella and lemongrass growing here. And I built these vertical gardens. I just dug down about 18 inches, poured some cement and put a steel rebar in there. And then you just stack these trays. And again, more coconut. Got coconut coming out my ears. And I grow lots of herbs here. These are great for herbs. And you see how this rotates? And I got some basil growing and oregano and celery, which are like hot peppers. And my neighbor's chickens are in my yard for some reason. Come on, run, get the hell out of here. Come on, come on. Ah! And then we got my little archway here. This is made out of the yellow bell, also known as Alamanda carthica. And this is a nice vining plant. That cat's whining because she's having babies. Now let's go over to the driveway. My driveway, I don't know. I'd say what? Maybe 400 feet or more. Look at that way down there. So we don't have any through traffic here. We got a locking gate. We're having that fixed today. It wasn't lining up so we could lock it. And over here is all my neighbor is orchards. No people. That dog is the gate repairman. It's normally very quiet here. Now this building you see here, this is a former piggery. And they used to raise pigs here, of course, but we don't use it for that. I use it for starting plants and selling and packaging my high value seedlings. I also do furniture refinishing in here. And again, my neighbor on that side is a big open field. So no people. I don't really like people. I like them for about 5 minutes, but that's about it. And then on the, what is it? This is the south side. Now they just cut this recently. I don't own this. But again, all trees. This is some papaya and delandon and pomelo. Pomelo is like a big grapefruit. Quit your whining. You think you'd be happy. You just had a bunch of kids. Only got tired of carrying those kids, huh? What do you want? You're probably hungry, huh? I'll help you get some food here in a few minutes. And then back to the house. That's it. Very exciting. And you can grow anything here. You can throw the damn seed in the ground, and before you know it, you got these impatiens. They're growing. And they have these pretty little flowers on them. And then here are my Mexican petunias. Over here I have some, do I have any blooming? Hibiscus. They only last for like 1 day. There's one. Hibiscus. Yeah. And then look at this. This is neat. This is called Kataka. And it can grow several meters tall, several feet tall. And these reproduce at each section here, it produces a plant. You take that and just throw it in the ground, and before you know it, it'll turn into one of these. I think I could probably actually grow rocks. Okay, I probably bored you to death, but that's what I do. That's where I live.